This is race 7 at Paradise Radio Yacht Club, and we're going in for a start sequence. 30 seconds to go, and they're all milling around here.
20 seconds.
20 seconds to go.
15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Clear start.
We scratch start.
Keep it up, you guys. 81. All over 48.
1 minute to
So we've got 14 boats here today.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Let's turn this tape off. And here we go. We've got they're all social distancing all over here. That's good to see. And they're social distancing out there on the water as well, which is always good to see, the boats social distancing. Yeah, nice look, guys. Beautiful. Smile for the camera. Remember to do your penalties. We're going up to this buoy around here, which is quite a nice little buoy over here. It's nice and a good climbing windward leg. I'll just pan back here and I'll show you a shot of everyone on the point. Good social distancing happening. Well done, guys. And here we go. Looks like 5/8 winning this race convincingly. That is Bob McKinnon. Michael Brown in 529 is second. There was a collision there.
Yeah, penalty's being done.
Thank you, 5. Yeah, he's got it. He's got it. He's right. He's clearing his way.
Yeah, I'll do a penalty. You shouldn't, you can't bear up.
Oh, I didn't.
There we go. Lots of boats here today at the... How many boats we got?
Penalty done, number
2,
5.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 out there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 boats. A nice look over there. It's beautiful. Beautiful location here today. Clear skies. We've got about 10 kilometres an hour, I reckon. 10k. Sorry about the walking backwards and forwards. But we've got a really nice fleet shot there. Guys get fit in this sport because you walk backwards and forwards following your boat up and down this nice pathway. .52's not sailing as he's PROing at the moment.
And the raising.
Guys, you having fun today?
Yep, great day.
Yep. Shout out if you're having fun.
Cool.
Oh, there's a bit
Having
of
fun, yes.
beautiful.
With our clothes on.
I hope so.
Okay, so I'll just zoom in there and have a look around this mark. Yeah, they seem to be going for the left-hand mark because that's obviously the weather mark. 48's doing something there. Yeah, nice rounding, guys. Nice rounding.
You think so?
We're on our second leg now. Second leg up. You can pan across here and you can see Bob McKinnon is beating Michael Brown with a very close tussle between 462 and 83. John and Graham fighting it out for third place, with Gary really stalling there. Gary, need to get more speed out of that boat, Gary. And 5's coming back from last place. Peter's coming back. Yes, certainly those ones who went left on this is favoured because the wind has changed. There's a big shift to the left. Big shift, and those guys are really doing it well. I'd have to say, Roger, you're not doing too well over there.
That's why I wish you wouldn't say it.
Well done, Roger. Maybe not. Oh, look at that. Great shot. Great shot as they're working up to the top mark. Top mark going up there, zipping along. Oh yeah. Close racing between 1 and 2. That's yes, good rounding there, Bob. Bloody good rounding. He's away. Real tussle here between for third place for Graham Cowling and John Pendleton. And fifth place is very close. Looking at your sails there, number 5, your main's into far too much. It's pulling into windward. Far too much. That jib's been pulled, it's been centered right in. Okay, we pan across here. We got 26 and 872 fighting it out down the back end here, and 67 also coming in.
Contact there.
Okay, so we've got 6 minutes into this race. We've got the 2 winners coming up now. God, what's happened to Bob? What happened to you, Bob?
I got a puff.
You got a puff, did you, Michael?
Up and away.
Up and away? There you go.
Maybe I can get a bit of chasing in.
Very close racing here. Except, I think it looks like your main's on the wrong side there, Bob. Pull it in a bit. See what happens. Oh, he's gone far. He's gone too far. Going close, mate. Going close. Oh, good rounding there. Oh, look at that. Bob's got him. He can't tack. Oh, he has tacked. Go, Bob. Bob's tacked. Maybe too early, but who knows. Yeah, there's a bit of a knock there, which is going to favour Bobby. Yep, but there's a lift coming out on this side. I can feel the breeze behind us lifting it up. Yes. Very close finish here. Very close. I'll go in for the line and just make sure that we get an exact picture of the line, because it's going to be seriously close. Oh, Bob's come across. Oh, he's got hit a knock though. Close racing. Very close racing here. 5:29.58. Well done, guys. And 4:62 coming through.